Welcome back to Be Easy English. I'm Bella,
And I'm Jake.
and today we're talking about what to say to the cashier.
Yeah, because nobody likes standing there in total silence.
It can feel so awkward, right?
For sure, especially when you're buying your groceries.
Oh, absolutely. By the way, did you get lost again today?
Hey, I only missed one turn coming to the studio.
Classic. I needed my morning coffee to survive that wait.
Well, my dog woke me up early, so I'm fully awake.
Lucky you. Hey, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button.
Yeah, we're uploading a new episode every single day.
We really want to help you build your English confidence.
Exactly. Since this is one of our early episodes, we want to say thank you.
Yes, we're so committed to building this amazing community together.
We're posting daily because we believe in your language journey.
It means the world to have you here with us.
So let's dive into today's topic.
Yes, let's do it. It's all about grocery shopping interactions.
So I went to the store yesterday evening.
Oh, nice. Did you find what you needed?
Yeah, I needed some healthy treats for my dog.
Nice. Was the store busy?
It was packed. The checkout lanes were totally full.
Oh, I hate when that happens. It's stressful.
It really is. The guy in front of me looked so nervous.
Why was he nervous? Was it a long line?
Well, the person scanning items asked him a simple question.
What did they ask him?
They just asked, "Did you find everything okay?"
Ah, the classic grocery store question.
Right, and the guy just froze completely.
Oh no, did he say anything at all?
He just stared and then nodded his head slowly.
Ugh, I know that feeling so well from my past.
Really? You used to freeze up too?
Oh, all the time when I was learning English.
It sounds pretty scary when you aren't ready.
It is. You feel like everyone is watching you.
But the cashier was just trying to be polite.
Exactly, but your brain just turns off.
Then the cashier asked if he wanted a receipt.
And what did he do then?
He just took his bags and walked away quickly.
Wow, he didn't even say thank you?
No, he just left because he felt so uncomfortable.
That's why today's topic is so important for everyone.
For sure, it changes your whole shopping experience.
Let's make sure that never happens to you guys.
Yeah, we'll give you the exact phrases you need.
It's much easier than you think, I promise.
I'll tell you a funny secret about cashiers later.
Oh, an open loop. I want to hear that too.
We'll come back to it in a few minutes.
Perfect. Let's get ready to learn together. Wait, did you hear what we just did in our conversation?
We talked about a common problem at the checkout lane.
Exactly. Today we're mastering small talk with the cashier.
If this trips you up, you're definitely not alone.
Even native speakers get tired and freeze up sometimes.
That's true, but we're going to break this down together.
Let's start with the very first interaction.
Right, when you first walk up to the cashier.
What's the most common greeting you hear?
Usually it's something like, "How are you doing today?"
Or maybe just, how's it going?
Yes. Now, how should a learner answer that naturally?
Keep it simple. You can say, good, thanks. How are you?
That's perfect. It's short, polite, and friendly.
Right, you don't need to give a long story.
Exactly. Don't say, "Well, my leg hurts today."
Yeah, please don't do that. Keep it brief.
Another phrase is, "Doing well, thank you."
Oh, I like that one. It sounds very natural.
Then the cashier might ask a follow-up question.
Like the one from your story earlier?
Yes. Did you find everything okay?
Wait, let's use our definition formula here.
Good idea. What does cashier actually mean?
Cashier is the person who collects the money.
Right, the store worker who scans your food.
Exactly. So they ask, did you find everything okay? They want to know if you found your items.
How do you respond if you did?
You just say, yes, thank you.
Or you can say, "Yes, I got everything."
What if you couldn't find something?
You could say, "Actually, I couldn't find the eggs."
Oh, that's a great real-life example.
Then they can tell you where the eggs are.
Or they might send someone to get them.
Right, it's a very helpful question.
Guidelines update, don't be afraid of it, friends.
Let's do a tiny mini recap of this first part.
Say hello, answer briefly, and say yes.
That's it. You've survived the first 30 seconds.
See? You're already doing great. Now let's move to the second part of the interaction.
This is where things get a bit more specific.
Right. The cashier will usually ask about bags next.
Yes, they might say, "Do you need any bags?"
Or sometimes they ask paper or plastic.
Ugh, that one used to confuse me so much
Why? It's just two choices.
because I didn't know how to answer nicely.
Ah, I see. What do you say now?
If I want plastic, I say, "Plastic is fine, thanks."
And if you brought your own bags?
I say, "I brought my own, thank you."
That's perfect. Let's do a quick definition here.
What words should we define?
Let's define loyalty card. Cashiers ask for them constantly. Calm. A loyalty card is a store rewards card for discounts.
Exactly. They might ask, "Do you have a loyalty card?"
Or they might call it a rewards card.
So if I asked you that, what would you say?
If I don't have one, I say, no, I don't.
Simple and clear. No stress at all.
What if you do have it on your phone?
You can say, "Yes, let me scan it."
Let's do a quick mini recap of this unit.
Choose your bag type and state your card status.
Now let's head into our error lab section.
Oh, time for common mistakes. I love this.
I used to make these all the time.
Tell us one. What did you do?
When a cashier asked paper or plastic, I said yes.
You just said yes to an either or question?
Yes, I was so nervous, I just said, yes, please.
What did the cashier do?
They just stared at me with a confused look.
Why is that a mistake exactly?
Because you have to choose one option, not say yes.
Right, saying yes doesn't answer the question.
Exactly. Another mistake is saying nothing at all.
Just staying completely silent?
Yes, because you're scared of making a mistake.
But mistakes are totally normal, friends.
It's much better to try than to be silent.
For sure, cashiers hear mistakes all day long anyway.
That's my secret from earlier, right?
Yes, cashiers are usually tired and not judging your grammar.
They just want to scan your food and go home.
Exactly, so relax and try your best.
Okay, we've gone through a lot of great phrases today.
Before we close out, let's see if it actually stuck.
Let's do a quick test together in the next part.
Quiz Lab. Friends, pause if you need to think. I'm ready. Let's see how everyone does.
Sentence 1. The cashier asks, paper or plastic? Option A, yes please. Option B, plastic please. Which one is right?
The correct answer is option B. Plastic, please.
Tell us why, just to be sure.
Because it's a choice, you must choose one item.
Option A is a totally normal mistake when you're nervous.
Exactly, but now you know the right way.
Sentence 2. The cashier says, did you find everything okay? Option A, yes, thank you. Option B, I am fine. Which is best?
Option A is the most natural answer here.
Why not option B?
Option B sounds like they asked how you were feeling.
Right, it doesn't answer if you found your food.
Exactly. Ready for the next one?
Sentence 3. The cashier says, have a good one. Option A, same to you too. Option B, you too. Which one?
Option B, you too, is perfect and easy.
Option A is a bit too repetitive for small talk.
Yes, you too is what native speakers say daily.
You all did great on that quiz today.
For sure, practice makes it perfect over time.
Let's do a quick 30-second recap of everything.
Remember to greet the cashier with a smile.
Answer the bag question with a clear choice.
And always say thank you at the very end.
We spent hours putting together a practice sheet for today's lesson.
There's a free practice sheet in the description below.
We designed it to feel like the paid material you'd find online.
It's carefully made for everyone watching today.
So go download it right now to practice.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for daily videos.
We're here every single day to help you grow.
Free practice sheet in the description. Go test yourself.
We'll see you in the next conversation.